Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Sky Nutrition Super Mushroom Gummies. You should purchase this product or not, and is this product really worthy for you or not. So in this video we will talk about each and every information. So let's get started. First thing I want to inform you, like, this is a health related product, and any health related product you should consume by doctor consultation. Without doctor consultation you should not use any kind of health related product, because when you use this kind of product and maybe it will give you some kind of side effects. So in that case what you will do? Okay, so let's talk about this brand Sky Nutrition. The skynutrition.us, you can see this is only 1 month old from now. It means this is a very newly launched brand. Okay, so there is a very concern about this thing, like how you can trust very newly launched brand. Okay, so now come to the second point. The second point is the brand claims like it will increase your focus and memory, boost your immune system, improve your gut health, reduce inflammation. And you can see the costing is approx $39 or $40 for 30-day supply. That is approx 300-500 INRs. And if we talk about the pricing is very high. As you can see, they are claiming like it will increase your focus, memory and gut health. Okay, but when we search on internet, we did not find any single evidence, or you can say any single review who can provide you the real review, like this product really worthy. Because there is a lack of customers reviews on internet, and without using product you cannot say it will give you benefit or not, because everyone body is different and everyone condition is also very different. So you cannot say it will really work for me or it will really work for you. Okay, maybe it will work for me or maybe it will not work for you. So it's all depend on person to person. So what you can do, you can avoid the product, or if you really want to try, then you can go with like a very small amount. Because when we are searching on internet, what we find there are lots of you can say websites who are providing review, but all reviews are sponsored. You can see the sponsored tag on your screen. So all the reviews are sponsored reviews, and you cannot trust on internet reviews. Maybe all reviews are affiliate links. So you need to be very careful. Without doctor consultation you should not use any kind of health related product that you should consume. And if we talk about the return and refund, when you visit on their website Sky Nutrition, you will see there is 30-day return and refund policy available. But how you can return your product, you have to fill out the form and you have to return the product at your own cost. Then they will accept your return or not. It's totally depend in their hand. And if they accept, then they will transfer your money in your same payment method. If they cancel, or you can say if they reject your return, you cannot get your money back. Okay, so there are lots of issues. So the best thing what you can do, you can avoid the product or you can make your own decision. Okay, so if you have any experience with this product, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.